BrainBobble presents the surprising benefits of being selfish. If you're like most people, you might associate selfishness with a negative connotation. However, there are many ways that prioritizing your own needs can actually be highly beneficial and even essential for living a fulfilling and successful life. In this video, we're going to explore some of the unique and unexpected advantages that come with embracing a bit of selfishness. So, whether you're already comfortable putting yourself first, or you're looking to learn more about the potential benefits of this mindset, this video is for you. 1. Increased authenticity. Being selfish can lead to greater authenticity as you learn to prioritize your own interests and feelings. You learn to be true to yourself. When you neglect your own needs and desires, you often cater to the expectations of others and sacrifice your own happiness. By learning to prioritize yourself, you gain a greater sense of control over your own life and can align yourself with what matters most to you. This can lead to greater fulfillment and a happier, more authentic life. It's important to find a balance between prioritizing your own needs and being considerate of others, in order to lead a fulfilling life that is also harmonious with those around you. 2. Better boundaries. It's important to recognize that setting boundaries with others is a healthy act of self-care. By putting your own needs first and embracing a more selfish mindset, you can establish boundaries and protect your emotional and mental well-being. So how can you begin to establish healthy boundaries? Start by identifying what's important to you and what you're comfortable with. Be honest with yourself and those around you about your needs and limitations. Communicate your boundaries firmly but kindly, and don't be afraid to reiterate them if they're challenged. And remember, it's okay to say no to things that don't align with your values or priorities. Embracing a more selfish mindset doesn't mean abandoning your responsibilities to others or being uncaring. Rather, it means valuing yourself and establishing healthy boundaries that allow you to show up as your best self. So go ahead and put yourself first, you deserve it. 3. Increased creativity. When you start to focus on your own needs and desires, you may be surprised at the new and innovative solutions that emerge. By prioritizing your own wants and needs, you free yourself from the constraints and limitations that come with trying to please or accommodate others. This newfound sense of freedom can open up new channels of creativity, enabling you to explore ideas and solutions that you may not have considered previously. When you allow yourself to prioritize your own needs and desires, you give yourself permission to dream big and explore new possibilities. This increased creativity can help you tackle problems in new and exciting ways, leading to greater success and fulfillment in all aspects of your life. So don't be afraid to focus on your own wants and needs. You just might find that it leads to some of your most inspired and successful endeavors yet. 4. More respect. Prioritizing yourself and your needs first can have a powerful impact on the way others perceive you. By demonstrating that you value yourself and your time, you send a clear signal that you are not willing to tolerate being taken for granted or mistreated. This can earn you more respect from others, who will see you as someone who is confident, assertive, and self-assured. They will be more likely to view you as a leader and someone to be admired, rather than someone to be walked over. Prioritizing yourself can also help you establish healthy boundaries with others, which can lead to healthier and more fulfilling relationships. When you demonstrate that you value yourself and your time, others are more likely to follow suit and treat you with the respect and consideration that you deserve. So don't be afraid to prioritize yourself and your needs. It can lead to greater respect, admiration, and fulfillment in all aspects of your life. 5. Improved relationships. Learning to put yourself first is a powerful step toward creating stronger and more fulfilling relationships. By prioritizing your own well-being and happiness, you free yourself from unhealthy and toxic relationships that can drain you of your own energy and joy. This newfound sense of confidence and self-love can help you attract and cultivate healthier relationships with those who truly matter. When you prioritize yourself, you create space to engage with your loved ones more fully and authentically. As you begin to focus on your own happiness and well-being, you may find that you are more fully present in your relationships, able to give and receive love more freely. In turn, this can lead to greater intimacy, trust, and connection with those who are most important to you. So go ahead and put yourself first, you just might find that it brings you closer to the people you love. 6. Enhanced productivity. Focusing on what truly matters to you can have a profound effect on your productivity. By focusing your energy and attention on what truly matters to you, you may find that you're able to accomplish more in less time. When you learn to say no to things that don't serve your goals or values, you free up valuable mental and emotional space that can be put toward more productive endeavors. This newfound sense of focus and intention can help you tackle tasks and goals with greater efficiency and effectiveness, allowing you to achieve more in less time. Prioritizing your own needs can also help you manage your time more effectively, creating more space in your schedule for the things that truly matter. With each small victory, your sense of accomplishment and motivation will grow, fueling your drive to achieve even more. So start prioritizing your own needs, you just might be amazed at how much more productive and successful you become. 7. Greater happiness. When you make the decision to focus on your own needs and prioritize yourself, you unlock the key to greater happiness and overall life satisfaction. By devoting energy and attention to your own well-being, you are sending a clear message to yourself and to the world that your happiness matters and that you are worthy of love and respect. This newfound sense of confidence and self-love can have a ripple effect across all areas of your life, leading to greater happiness and fulfillment both personally and professionally. As you learn to prioritize yourself and make time for the things that are most important to you, you may find that everything else seems to fall into place. The stress and anxiety that once weighed you down may start to lift, and you may find that you are more equipped to deal with the ups and downs of life. By taking care of yourself and focusing on your own happiness, you can create a life that is truly fulfilling and joyful. Don't be afraid to put yourself first, the happiness and satisfaction that come with it are more than worth it. While the idea of selfishness may have a negative connotation, it's important to remember that taking care of yourself doesn't have to come at the expense of others. By prioritizing your own needs and setting healthy boundaries, you can actually improve your relationships, achieve your goals, and live a more fulfilling life. So go ahead, embrace your inner selfishness and see the surprising benefits for yourself. And for more insightful tips and mind-expanding food for thought, subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks for watching.